Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to learn HTML, how to create a simple web page in Notepad++. So as usual, you can see in the screen there's a beautiful and simple web page where you can type anything you want. So here it is written, welcome to our web page. Here is some link, type of a type page, your diary and images guide. If I click on the type page, so we can see something. So here what is written, you can minimize or maximize the box. So this is the box as usual, you can see, and we can type anything you want. You can take a caps lock or you can take a small letters too. Small letters, yeah. So now you want to go to your main page again? So you can go to your main page, go to your diary too. Your diary is also type of this. So you can type your diary, your things which you have explored. You can type in caps lock also, because caps lock seems nice to this. See, hi diary. So you can cancel also, or else you want to like something, so you can write also. So now for the time pass, or you want to see something, you can take on the images gallery. So as usual, you can see we have so much. First is Eiffel Tower, Winter Place, Harry Potter, Hogwarts Palace, most beautiful house, beautiful waterfall, autumn, four seasons, and springs. And if I wanted to go in my web page again, so we'll go to the web page. So we come in our web page again. So now let me tell you how could I make this beautiful web page. So now let's start it. So as usual, you can see I have opened my Notepad++. So now I have made this at first only. So now I'm going to show you how we have to create it up. So this is our doctype.html. So you might be thinking, why I have put this first, doctype.html? Because this doctype.html is the main concept of this Notepad. And here we go with our HTML. Then we have to put the lang is equals to en. Then we have to put the header tag, and you have to put the meta charters too. So now we have to put this meta charters too, because this is the main one. If you will not put the meta charters chart set, so this program couldn't work. So then our title, beautiful and simple web page. This is our title, and this style we have to put the background image. We have to put the background image. We need to put this slash between it, background slash images, and this double dots. We have to just take this URL. You have to take the link of the image you have selected. So as you can see it, I have selected this one. Let me see you. I have selected this one. This one. So I have put its image URL, and as I click over here, so you can see the item type PNG file. So you some must be thinking, who knows this Notepad, why I put this JPG? No, why not JPG? Why PNG only? So my image type is PNG. If my image type was JPG, so I must put over here JPG. And if my type was PNG, so I must put your PNG. Now as usual, I will take this PNG, take out this and put JPG. So now let me control save and just look at my web page, reload it. It will still not come like that, because your JPG will not come. If I put now PNG, so now it will come. So now we have put this PNG, and then first of all, before the style, you need to open this style and put the body, and then put this one bracket. These are the different brackets. This is the different bracket, and then one more different bracket in this image URL. You need to put the double quotes also in this over here, and we have to put this one also because this is the main part of this our body. Now we have to end this style too. If we open this style, we have to end also. And now we end our header tag also. Now we will open the another body tag, and we will take the BR tag and take the header 3 tag, and we will do is align. Align will be our center because we need to put this our alignment as center. So now we have seen over here as, so this our align was center, so we need to do like this, some cross. So now you can see welcome to our web page. Now we have to put our font also. Font face is Lato, size is 6, and welcome to our web page. You can see over here I have put over this welcome to our web page. So now then we have to put this and NBSP. NBSP means the space. We have to put this so many times, so it will take a, see, we have took this and we have made this. So see, if I put this NBSP so many times, so this will be our space created. Can you see the blue line? So now next what is this after this NBSP? Font face is our Single, size is our 4, and here we have put the bracket open A and href is equals to typepage.html. So why I have put this href? Because of this href, this will create a link which will click the link, so we can open our this type page. See now this link has been created of the type page. So if we click on this type page, so I can see this type pages, and if you go to our main page, you can see our main page again. I have put this link, and here we have put the type page, and then A will be closed, and then NBSP. This, how many times I have to create? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have to do it 12 times in the 3 of the columns. See, now we have to do your diary and images gallery also. Now here we can see our font again. Our font is closed too. Now our HR3 tag is also closed too. Now we have took this BR tag how many times? We have took this BR tag 11 times. Now we have opened this our H1 tag, and we did this alignment as center. This is our font face is equals to Lato. Color is hashtag 4 times 0. You need to put the double quotes also. And then we have to took the size and put our size first double quotes, and then we have to put this 7. And then we have to type beautiful and simple web page where you can create anything you want. So here we can see the font also. Our font is open and font is closed. H1 tag is also closed, body tag is also closed, and HTML tag is also closed. So now we have created this our first, this center means this outer covering of our website. So now we have to create first type page. Here we have created the type page. Type is so simple. You have to do this main one as usual, you know, doctype.html, HTML, then head, then meta chartist, and then open this style, and we have to type our text area. As you can see, this is our text area. You need to take this text area, then open this different type of bracket, and then put this height, and then you have to take in the height as 100 pixels, in width 100%, font size 20 pixels, font family will be comics. I have put it comics, but it's okay. And then we have to do this one too, and then we have to have a close to bracket 2, and style must also close, head also close, and body is started. and then we have to create a link again, this href webpage.html, because we want to go to our main page again. And here we go with our div tag. Now what will be happen with this div tag? With the help of this div tag, your this link will be at the same place, like this. This is a same place only. If I would not put the this div tag, so it will be not over here, but it would be over here. Okay, so now we have put this text area also opened and closed. Nothing you have to type over here. And we have to close our div tag also. While opening the div tag, you have to close the div tag too. Now our paragraph tag, you can minimize or maximize the box. Body tag is also closed. HTML tag is also closed. Now you have to now see your diary. Your diary is also same. Just you have to do this. Want to do this? You can take from this type page, do Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then you have, now it's time for image gallery. As you can see, don't be scared. If I'll explain you, so it will be easier for you. That doc type HTML, head and meta charts and title, and style type, it will be our text/CSS. First of all, guys, if you have created this, so before that, this we have to do as save as hypertext markup language. So if you will not do this, so here instead of except of HTML, it will come txt, images gallery.txt will come. Why txt? Because it will be as a style, means it will be like you will type, so it can't come like you are doing something code, you are doing HTML. It will come at, it is just a text. So here instead of this HTML, it will come txt. So be like this. You have to go at file and just open new. You have to before that you might be opening new only, so you have to do this save as, and here we have select the hypertext markup language only. Now I will not save because this is already saved. This till here you have understand only text/CSS. This our font family /Tahoma, and then closed again. In hashtag information, again I will close this, again I will open this bracket, background hashtag EEE, and then close, then padding 10 pixel and 20 pixel, and then close the bracket too. Information P, open the bracket, font size this and 12 pixel will be our font size, and then close this bracket. Footnote, open this bracket, font size 10 pixel, and here we close our style, and head also close. Now open the body. Now see, we have did this over here, images gallery. So I think so this welcome to the image gallery is not more important. Ctrl S. Okay, so now this is not very important, this images gallery. This welcome to the images gallery, this is the important images gallery. See, now I have put the open bracket image source, src means source is equals to double quotes images /Eiffel Tower. We have, as you can see over here, I have ticked this Eiffel Tower / you have to just take this, and you have to take just rename, and you can do this Ctrl C and put this in your images. Okay, now I have put your Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and my file is JPG, remember. Now see, as I can see over here, this Eiffel Tower, where is this? This Eiffel Tower is my JPG file. So therefore I have put .jpg and double quotes closed, and then this also will be closed, and our paragraph tag Eiffel Tower. And again that image source is winter place. You have to take the winter place that I have told you, control C, and then you have to do this control V, and then put this winter place, and then I have take the Hogwarts Palace, so I have to do this control C and control V in this, and see, most beautiful house in the world. And then it is here also image source, here also image source, this and this, and we have to go to our web page again. So I have did href is equals to double quotes webpage.html, and we'll do this, go to web page. Now as you can see, go to main page, images gallery, we have gone in this images gallery. So see, it's done. Go to our web page. We have come in our web page again. Good one. And we have to close our div tag also. Okay, now I am going to show your now it is done, so you can create this website. And so first of all, when I have showed you this, you can pause the video and then create this all things. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want more HTML video, you have to like my videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.